This is my attempt to fly at 14,000 feet on top of Mount Evans in Colorado. A little windy this morning. I left Laramie at 1 a.m. and was on the summit about sunrise, 5:30 or so. The wind seemed a bit strong, but after getting up that early and driving that far, I thought I'd try it. So I lifted up about 10 meters or so and tried a panorama, see how it would handle. The wind was kicking it around pretty hard, and when it blew it almost out of the parking lot, I thought, well, you know, let's see if I can get it back and get it down. And I did. The hand catch was a little tricky, but it was okay. I'm running 2216 800 kilovolt motors with 4S battery and APC 11 4.5 props. I've got some 12s, but I didn't put them on. I was also having kind of an upset stomach. I think too much gas station food and coffee. Lots of coffee. So I decided to throw in the towel, go down to lower elevation, and maybe come back. But by the time I got down to Idaho Springs, I still had upset stomach, so I decided to take it on back to Laramie and try some other time. Anyway, get an idea what the wind is like. I didn't get a wind speed. You can see the hex setting on the pavement here is shaking pretty good in the wind. So also added a few stills at the end. It was a nice drive and the road was pretty interesting, so we'll try again some other time. I guess that's it for now.
I was going to try to go for 15,000.